How to delete messages on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app in your Android from your Play Store. Now just you have to open the Messenger app in your phone. You can see here that there are different options at the bottom. There is chats option, clear calls option, people and the story. You just have to click on the chats option. You can see here the message will appear in front of you. Now I am going to delete messages on Facebook Messenger app. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Like I am going to delete the chat of this person. Just I have to press on the chats and you can see there are different options like the archive option, delete option, mute, open chat head and mark as unread. I just have to click on delete and click on in this way you can delete your chat on Messenger. All this procedure is for both Androids as well as for iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.